Today I show you the better alternative to duct tape and cloth tape. This is the gaffer tape. And before that, I'll have a bit of my tea. I'm a bit sick. Ginger and lemon tea and ginger lemon and honey tea. Very nice. Gaffer tape is supposed to be used for stage lighting where there is no reflection. So the whole point here is that you don't have reflections. Like this is duct tape, for example, and you see the duct tape on the left and gaffer tape on the right. There is no reflection from the lights. One of the biggest advantages to gaffer tape compared to the duct tape is that it doesn't leave residue when you use it. There is no residue on the material, on the surface, and good gaffer tape will have no residue or even very little residue. So this is the brand HPX and the size is 48 millimeters by 25 meters. It's made in Belgium, HPX. I have another cloth tape. I have cloth tape from them, the same style, but you see the cloth tape is reflective, the same as the duct tape. This is really good, the cloth tape, but not as good as the gaffer tape. So this is GB5025, I guess this is the model product code or something like this, and that's the barcode if you're interested to look for it. I really suggest to buy gaffer tape instead of duct tape. It's a bit more expensive, could be a lot more expensive, and it's also interesting that it's harder to find. I could barely find this gaffer. The duct tape, I can find it anywhere, but not gaffer tape. And from the same brand, even shops that bring the tapes of the same brand, HPX, they don't bring this one. Only one shop I could find here locally. Only in one shop I could find the HPX gaffer tape, but there are other brands. It's not about HPX, it's about gaffer tape. This is the keyword here. And it's non-reflective, long-term, and I don't know about this mesh. It has cloth inside it, and it's meant to be used in a high temperature environment. So if you put this on lights, supposedly it will not melt the glue, and the smell smells a bit like, I don't know, like rubber toys, like rubber boots. Yeah, I'm a bit sick, so maybe I don't smell it very well, but this is the tape, and I was looking to find it and to see how it is. I want to use this instead of the cloth tape or the gaffer tape. Instead of the duct tape or the cloth tape, I want to try to use the gaffer tape whenever I can, because it's supposed to be no residue, and I don't see any residue on the back of this one, but it's meant to be like this. It's very strong though. Let's smell this. It smells really, yeah, like rubber boots. So it's very sticky, but you can see how sticky it is as it comes out. And I want to do a test. Actually, I want to do a test later to compare the gaffer tape against the duct tape and the cloth tape. But this is the gaffer tape. It's actually very strong. I didn't think it would be that strong. Feels stronger than the gaffer tape. That feels stronger than the duct tape and the cloth tape, the HPX, the strong one. Okay. So if I put it here on the table, it will stick. Okay, there is not much residue to try here, but I could try it on my old phone. I could try this. I could put the whole tape over the old phone and see if it leaves any residues. I'm choosing to remove this and not cut the tape there, because it's a shame to throw the tape only for the sticker. No need for that, but I want to try on the phone. So now it's sticking to the phone over the camera, and it's really, there's no reflection at all. The lights are overhead here, they're very bright, and barely you can see anything here. For this it's really good. Okay, let's see if it leaves residue. There is some residue on it. I have to close it. I'll roll some of this tape on a few pen refills, so I can have with me all the time the tape available. But otherwise, so far so good, really. It didn't really leave any, just a little bit, a few markings that you can see, and it's a shiny surface. I'll do a few tests later and see how they go. Thanks for watching. I was really looking forward to try this tape, and we'll see how good it is. The main reason to have this is because it's not sticky, it doesn't leave residue. It's good for microphones, to put microphones on the clothes even. You can, yeah, it's a good test to try to stick the tape to the mouse pad. So to tear it, it's cloth basically, so you have to find the spot where it can tear, and you just like this. It can tear pretty easily with hands, no need for tools. I'll try to stick it to the mouse pad. It sticks decently, but it is cloth, it is textile, so it's not gonna be very strong. But if you're going to put a cable here under this, it will really hold it pretty well. Yeah, I could pull the whole thing. So yeah. You can even tear it in smaller pieces, and it tears pretty nicely. There's a nice clean tear. Yeah, very easy to tear it. I like that. And it's super sticky, really sticky. Look how it's pulling my finger. Thanks for watching. I'll keep this for later.